Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Match Betting Chronicles. So tonight I'm Dutching this game on the correct score, Girona versus Almeria, and I did think I was off to a good start with the early goal, but two quick goals have really put me into a very bad position, and I'm almost certain I'm gonna lose this trade now. I did expect Girona to win sort of 2-0 or 2-1. So I didn't cover, as you can see, I didn't cover the 1-0 to either side. Um, and the odds on sort of Almeria winning sort of 2 or 3-0 were quite big. So I just put like £1 or £2 just in case it did go 1-0. And then I'd still have some score lines left alive. I put a little bit of money on the 1-1, but most of the money's, you can see, has gone on 2-0, 2-1, 2-2, and 3-1. Unfortunately, I didn't have 3-0 covered, and I have just now, after the third goal was scored, I've put £12 on 3-0 at odds of 6. Now, the reason I've done that is because, you know, I was sitting on a big loss at 3-0, about £52 in the market, and it's offering me, I can cash out now for £42. So basically, I've lost 80% of my stake if I cash out now. Maybe that's the sensible thing to do, is to cash out and save that £8 plus that £12. So cash out, save the £8, avoid spending another £12. But what I've done is I've spent £12. So I've added about £20 more onto this loss. And if Girona do score another goal, there's no way back. I will lose the entire stake of £66. And it's not looking good. That might be the next goal. Somebody's scored. Yep, it's 4-0 to Girona. So that's that basically. That's done. So this just shows you the danger of correct score Dutching. I mean, I did think Girona was going to win, but yeah, I didn't expect them to thrash Almeria. So I profiled this game wrong, basically. And let's just have a look at this. So basically, where are they? Girona, yeah. So at home they are quite good. Scored 17, conceded 15, and Almeria they've actually conceded 19, only scored 6. So you can see why I didn't think they were going to win. You know, they got the sort of worst record at scoring goals away from home. And yeah, they have conceded quite a lot. So maybe in hindsight, I should have, covered any other home win maybe. But based on like the last sort of 10 games, yeah, I couldn't see Girona scoring so many. And if you look at the league table, this is sort of an important relegation battle, really. Almeria are only 2 points above the relegation zone. Girona are 4 points. So very important game for both teams, this. So I just thought I'd expect it to be a bit more sort of cagey. But anyway, let's go back to Betfair. There just wasn't much that I could do because of the timing of these goals. Didn't allow me really to take any action, which is a bit of a shame. I also had a 10. Oh, it's gone now, but I had £10 free bet. Basically, I greened up, so I had £10 if it finished under 2.5 and losing nothing if it finished over 2.5. So yeah, I've got nothing from this. And I thought that could sort of reduce my loss if it did sort of finish 1-0, basically. Yeah, basically I backed unders here after the first goal and I traded out somewhere along this line before the next Girona goal. So anyway, guys, this has been a very, very bad trade for me. But yeah, this is what happens sometimes. You will, in this market, you can lose your entire stake with quick goals like this. And really, this is, I didn't need to lose the extra 20 quid. I could have cashed out. But, I was willing to take the risk, basically, and add in another 12 because although they were 3-0 up, sometimes that's enough and some teams will just lay back after that, try and protect their lead, not do much. That's what I was hoping would happen, and I was willing to risk that rather than lose 80% of my stake. But anyway, thanks for listening, everyone, and see you next time.